Welcome back viewers. Now we will see about meta editor. Okay. For the beginners this is not important. This is only for those of the programmers who make indicators, reports, etc. Okay. This is only for them. This is not our concern. We will take a look on that just by clicking there on this icon. Okay, and then a new pop-up window will open. Okay, it will be just like MT4, and here is the editing of everything. Anything you want to add, anything you want to make, save, etc., any indicator, okay, reports, whatever you want to make, you can do your editing here in this meta editor. So for the beginners, meta editor is not important, and I will never recommend you to use this option. Welcome back viewers. Now we will take a look at the data window. Okay, this is an option present in our MT4. Okay, in our standard toolbar. What is data window? Basically data window is a just window which is showing data of particular time frame, okay, of that candle. So to get data window, what we need to do, we will just click on that here. Okay, and after clicking on that, a new window will open. Okay, it will give us data of that pair. So right now you can see it is giving us details of this GBP USD H1, date, this or time, this one. Okay, it's open, high, low, close, and volume also. Like if I want to get data of this candle, for example, okay, so it will let me know about data of this candle. Okay, as we can see here in the bottom where is chart of GBP NZD, above, just a little above to that, we can see 2018 07 17 14 hour. Okay, and here in the data window we can see that date, same date, time, open, high, low, close, and volume, etc. Okay, so this is only used when we want to check how much volume is traded on this pair on this time frame, etc. Okay, and we want to check high, open, close, low, etc., etc. Okay, so this is used only for those traders who want to check volume, and those traders who want to do like breakout trading, okay, who want to calculate the values of open, high, low, etc., etc., for periods, points. This is used for them. Okay, being as a beginner it is not quite useful. Okay, so this was the explanation that what is data window, what is the importance of data window. Okay, thank you so much.